Hello, it's Amanda here. Right, so I'm just coming to reshare my 4 journals that I've got for sale in my Etsy shop. Now, I've had a few words with a few people. And I think the general consensus is that maybe I'm a little bit ambitious on my pricing, seeing as I am so new to journal selling. Don't even look at the mess on my desk. Pretend that's not there. Focus on the journals. So because I am quite new to the journal making and journal selling kind of community, maybe I've been a little bit over ambitious on my prices. And that's not me, trying to be greedy or anything, because journal making for me is just a pure joy. It's not about money. It's an absolute joy. But at the same time, I don't want them sat there collecting dust. I want them to find living homes, like the raggy dolls. That's a This Country line, if anybody else watches This Country. So I've got the Steampunk journal, I've got the Vintage Days journal, Butterfly Blue, and my Field Notes journal. And I have slashed the price of all of these by £10. Okay, because I do genuinely want somebody to have them, enjoy them, and maybe get inspired from them to make their own even. And there's no point in them that sat there collecting dust because I'm not getting my pricing structure right. So whilst I'm a little quiet nobody on the journal scene, maybe I'll rethink my pricing. I'm always the first to hold my hand up if I've done something that's not quite right. I'm not worried about changing it. So as I have reduced them, I'm hoping that they'll find loving homes. So go and grab yourself a bargain. And the price that I charge will be what is up there. We're going to have a look. And that's what I'm going to charge at the moment until I get a bit more rich and famous. Once I'm rich and famous in journal world, you've had it, the prices will go back up. So I'm not kidding. Go grab yourself a bargain. Go and grab one while you can so that they're not sat there collecting dust. And then I've got more room to make more because I love doing them. So my next one's going to be the mermaid one. You can also, request personal, custom made ones. If you see a kit that you like anywhere, or a theme, or something that somebody else has done that you want something similar, you can always request it. Send me an email, find me on Facebook. I'm just about everywhere on social media. I'm not difficult to track down. Don't look at my mess. Told you. Try and zoom in on the focus on the journals. So there you go. If you want to grab yourself a bargain, these are really genuinely are made with a lot of love. They take me days and days and days to make. So go grab yourself a bargain. Let's get these journals some homes. Better than sat there doing nothing. I don't even write. I don't even know how to joined up writing or anything, so I'm not going to use them. All right, jump on over. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.